Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of German Shepherds versus Pit Bulls. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which dog is stronger. So the main difference between German Shepherds and Pit Bulls is maintenance. German Shepherds have a thick, long double fur coat, and you'll realize your house is covered with dog fur as soon as one gets inside. Thus, they need constant grooming, preferably weekly brushing, or the house may be perpetually covered in fur. They also require frequent baths, and you need a vacuum cleaner capable of picking up the fur. On the contrary, Pit Bulls have short coats that need occasional brushing and bathing. Therefore, Pit Bulls require less maintenance than German Shepherds. Size. Of the two breeds, German Shepherds are much bigger. They measure between 24 to 26 inches in height, while Pit Bulls are approximately 17 to 21 inches. German Shepherds are also heavier, and males can get up to 90 pounds when compared to Pit Bulls, which can weigh about 50 pounds. While there is a clear distinction between the two dogs, when it comes to size, Pit Bulls tend to be better defined since their muscles are not hidden by dense fur. Thus, the German Shepherds are lean and long, while Pit Bulls are powerful, compact, and appear stockier. Therefore, German Shepherds are bigger compared to Pit Bulls. Aggression issues. While German Shepherds are known for their protective nature, Pit Bulls have a reputation for being potentially aggressive. Dogbites.org indicates that Pit Bulls contribute to 69% of the overall dog bite-related fatalities in 2019, which were 33 deaths, while German Shepherds contributed to 4%, which were 2 deaths. Pit Bulls are more aggressive compared to German Shepherds. Comparison table. From the table, you can tell that the German Shepherds are bigger and heavier. However, Pit Bulls tend to have a longer life expectancy. Similarity. Both breeds are energetic, goofy, and sweet. With the proper socialization and training, they're affectionate and gentle even with children. Verdict. Which dog is stronger? Pit Bulls appear more muscular and stockier as it has less fur to hide the muscles. They're also likely to challenge your strength if you don't have them trained effectively, unlike German Shepherds that present less leash pulling problems. However, German Shepherds are bigger and heavier than Pit Bulls by far. Thus, they are stronger. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed it. Also, let us know which other dog breeds you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.